I like this NVDA. I want to be watching this out the gate. I mean, pre-market, pull back into 310. Then the other setup would be if this thing breaks up and just takes off. That's fine too. But then I'll be looking for a pullback setup on the 5, like we talked about. Nice 920 cross, 920 cross, nice steep one actually. 920 cross. If we could get a pullback in 3560, it's about the only place that I'd be interested. It would come on, maybe dump on that. So I had a fishing order sitting out there, and I just got filled. I've got 2 orders sitting out. I just got filled on one, and there we go. Let's freaking go. We got about a minute and a half left. I'm going to take profits into 25 here. Got an order sitting there. You go. A couple of bucks on those with some size. I'm going to take the rest of these off here. Barely. I'm paying myself, man, because I can always add. Right at VPOC, he did exactly what we talked about this morning. We had a nice 62 area here. We had a PCH right here at 62 or 59. With that relative strength, boy, might get $100 move on this thing today.